Khristy Sherrell here with Texas Brew and Barbecue. Why can't I say barbecue? Hey guys, it's Khristy Sherrell here. Can't even say my name. Hey guys, it's Ty here with Texas Brew and Barbecue, your official Recteq backyard ambassador. I'm here with my littlest Khristy Sherrell. Say hi.
Hi.
And we are gonna cook up such a delicious Halloween treat for you. I mean, melt in your mouth beef franks. Oh, Earl Campbell. Can't live without Earl Campbell in Texas. That meat, those hot links, delicious. Kraft cheese, some olives, and some sprinkles, but these are for the treat. And your favorite Thanksgiving and fall treat, crescent rolls. I want you guys to sit back, crack open a beer, because it wouldn't be Texas Brew and Barbecue without a brew. And let's make these mummified hot dogs. Are you ready?
Yes.
Yes. I need my trash can on my tool chest here that has all my supplies. I can't work like this.
You have to give the bread to me.
Hey, I actually do need a knife. Let me go get one.
And
Right, get up there.
And I'll put
Gotta
it
get my
on-
supplies. Nobody helps me around here. It's just me. Had to run right in really quick and get one of my Wusthof steak knives. All right, so first things first. The sun is shining. It's a beautiful day here in Texas. Airplanes fly over our house all the time. But man, we just love it out here. There's nothing like family time and good barbecue. All right, so first things first, you're gonna take these crescent rolls, or if you're too fancy for your britches, you can call them croissants. But this nice doughy flavor, you're just gonna lay them out really flat. Don't say fat. And then we're just gonna cut these. This is about an inch or a half inch, depends on who you're asking, a man or a woman. The women will tell you the truth, but
It depends how far it gets.
yeah, it depends how far it gets, huh? What do you have to say about this food we're making? What do you think the quality is gonna be? Do you think our viewers are gonna like it?
Yeah, I think they're
Yeah.
gonna like it.
I bet a lot of people can actually make this tonight. Real easy. You just pop it on the grill, start it earlier in the day, and you have it ready by lunch. You feed your family, your friends.
After you cut that, get them on the tray so that way I can start putting them on.
Okay, that sounds like my wife, you know. I'm out here just cooking in the backyard and she's still bossing me around, but hey, that's Texas Brew and Barbecue. Here's where the fun comes in. Now I've got two. I've got Nathan's hot dogs and I've got hot links because the kids, they like the stuff that's not so spicy, but me, I like it spicy. All right, so we're gonna start with just a few of these. We'll end up making about 8, you know, to feed the whole family and the friends and anybody else that wants to come over and cook with us. I'm gonna move my Wusthof knife because I don't need that anymore.
Butter on there.
This is where the magic happens. We just take one of our rolls and we're just gonna start wrapping the mummy. It's nice and easy, just like that. And you know, here's the cool thing about this. We don't need any seasonings today. It's just a couple little things. But if you did want to add some seasoning, all you had to do was go to recteq.com and get that bundle. It's right available for you on the website. It'll be so good. All right, here's one mummy dog. It looks just like that. What's really important, I was talking too much about that bundle you can get at recteq.com, but I forgot to tell you, after you wrap it, you just kind of got to leave a little space because a mummy still needs to see. And then you pass it on down to your sous chef and you just keep on wrapping. Man, it sure is a beautiful day out here. The sun is shining, it's pretty hot. This reflection's getting me right in the eyes, so I gotta put on my cool, constant Ray-Ban shades. All right, so the wrapping is all done here. What do you think, sir? We did a great job?
Yep.
Yeah, we went ahead and wrapped these bad boys. And I just wanna let you know that make sure you leave this window whenever you wrap up your dog so you can put the eyeballs on it to really get the good effect. We did a couple of hot links because me and the boy, we love some good hot links. But next is to the smoker. So all we did is we logged into our Recteq app. We set this sucker to 375. We let it heat up nice and good. I went ahead and did that before I started the meat. That way it's nice and ready whenever you're ready to throw those dogs on the little smoker here. So all you're gonna do from here is we're gonna open this right up. We're gonna take our trays, sir. Ty Jr., may I have this?
Yep.
We're gonna take our 2 trays of dogs. Just gonna set them right in the center. There's nothing too fancy going on here. We're gonna get a nice, just a little touch of that smoke. So we're just gonna set them in the center. We're gonna put these 2 trays on here. Close the smoker. You're gonna let this sit for about 14 to 17 minutes. It just depends on the atmosphere, the pressure, the wind, all that good stuff outside. It's gonna watch this. We just want those crescent rolls to give you a nice brown flavor. And once they get there, you'll know they're nice and crisp and done. We're gonna pull them off, add a few things, and they'll be ready to cook. We're about halfway through the cook here, and I just thought I'd peek on in and see what we're looking like in here. Open them up. You can see they're still pretty doughy and just cooking right on. So we're gonna close this lid. We don't want to let too much smoke out. We like to keep that flavor here at Texas Brew and Barbecue. We'll see them again in a second. All right, so our mummy dogs, they're almost done. I'll let you see them. That crescent roll is nice and brown. So next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Wusthof knife and I'm gonna cut this Kraft cheese. And we're just gonna make a base so we can put them nice pretty eyeballs on there. All right, so if you didn't notice, I had to take my sunshades off because my face is a little smaller today and I couldn't really do all the things I needed to do to get this cooked to you in your home. Let's open these bad boys up and look. So you can tell our crescent roll is nice and brown. So the next thing we're gonna do is we're just gonna take this cheese and we're just gonna lay it right over the face of these guys. Just go fast, letting out some of that smoke. And we really like that heat and that flavor. Woo-wee. All right. Just gonna leave them on here for about a minute or so, and then we're gonna pop them off. All right, so I'm gonna wrap this video up for you really good, just in case you made it this far, which you better, because this is Texas Brew and Barbecue, the home of the official Recteq Backyard Ambassador. Took these Nathan hot dogs, wrapped them in some crescent rolls, threw them in my RT 700 for at about $3.75. I think I did for about 18 minutes in total. Went ahead, threw some Kraft cheese on there, stuck some olives in there for the eyeballs. We're about to taste these. All right, guys, I don't know where you're from, where you're viewing from, but here in the great state of Texas, we eat mustard on everything. So I'm gonna take one of these mummy dogs. Let's give it a taste. Oh.
At first you get
That, you guys, is the best mummy hot dog I have ever had in my life. You've got to try it. Got to go. I'm gonna put this recipe up. Make this for your kids, your wife, your family, your friends. It is sure to be a Halloween treat. In typical Texas Brew and Barbecue fashion, I forgot to use my thermal pin to test my meat today. It's just a hot dog, but what video would it be without testing my meat?
Can I test one more?
It's done.
Can I test
We'll
one?
see you guys at the next show.
Wait.
Cheers.